Wow, this forest is amazing! Look, there's a bird up there! Can we say hi? Of course, let's go say hello. What's wrong, little bird? I can't find my way back to my nest. I'm lost? Don't worry, we'll help you find your way home. Yeah, we're great explorers. We'll find your nest in no time. Don't worry, we'll find your nest soon. And if we don't, we'll keep looking until we do. We won't give up. Yeah, we're the best explorers ever. Thank you so much. You're the best. We're happy to help. That's what friends are for. And we're always here to help our friends. We make a great team. And we have so much fun together. Helping others is one of the most important things we can do in life. And it's even better when we do it together as a family. I'm so lucky to have such a great family. Thank you, my friends.